Nice and lovely. Welcome back with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen, but today I'm gonna make you a simple dessert for Valentine again. All right. So this is what happened exactly. What happened in Chef Ricardo kitchen. So we're going to get some strawberry and we're going to use a ninja blender. Alright, so we're just going to cut up the strawberry, cut them in half, put them straight inside of the blender, just like that, and just like that, just like that. Just like that, just like this. As you can see, this time of year we use a lot of strawberry, and honestly I'm just, you know what I mean, getting right there with the strawberry because, you know what I mean, it's even more healthier. Nice and lovely. As you can see exactly what's going on right here. We don't even need, we doesn't need any. Only thing I'm going to do is put a teaspoon of sugar. Let's put another teaspoon. Just gonna cover it like this, and we're gonna blend it for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, because you don't want to over blend it, you don't want to chop it up too much, you just want to chop it a little bit, and then what you're gonna do, gonna pour it just like that. Second thing, guys, I must say to you, I have my ice cream which I'm going to be using, just to make you guys know that I'm definitely gonna put a little bit of ice cream on it for the fans. All right. So I love ice cream, and sometimes I use ice cream, sometimes I use something different. You know what I mean? Because it's just bring off a lovely flavor towards it. As you can see, you don't want to chop it too much. Oh, that's perfect, man. That's perfect. That's perfect. So, what you're gonna do now is to get the ice cream and pour it on top of it like that. Alright? Because what happened, the ice cream that's gonna bring off a nice, lovely flavor to it. And I know you guys will love this one. It's just something different for the fans, and I know the fans will definitely love this one because it's something totally different. Then we're gonna get that same strawberry and we're gonna just put it all over it like this. Alright, these ones are gonna be very small scoops. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that is all about Chef Ricardo right there. You know what I mean? I normally give my fans some different kind of ideas and recipe of things where they can do at home, you know. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. We got a lot more recipes and we got a lot more ideas will be coming. As you can see, it's just something different, you know what I mean. I decided to give them some ice cream this time. Strawberry and ice cream. Valentine, most people on Valentine's Day, this is what they do. Something simple like this. So please enjoy, subscribe, leave your comments below, and thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.